Drake uses it, it has to be good, right? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, we're gonna be trying something really new. Well, it's not new, but it's new to me. I've seen this on the scene for a while now. I've seen it on Instagram as well as here on YouTube because I've been researching it here the past couple of days. I've only had this in my possession though for a day, so I took the time to watch your videos and just see what other people thought of it. But this video is all about my reaction, my honest opinion, my thoughts of the product. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out and see if it really does what it says it does. Now, Carbon Coco is the product that we have today, and it's a natural teeth whitening agent, and this is activated charcoal. It looks very interesting. It's very different because you're gonna be brushing your teeth with a mouth full of black stuff, and it's like, what? I'm putting black stuff in my mouth. Now, will this black stuff stain my teeth? And I like to think that my teeth are pretty good right now, though I feel like they can be a little whiter, but they are really good because I do have a whitening routine already that I've yet to share with you, that I do want to share my current favorite whitening routine with you as well. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try out Carbon Coco because this is definitely interesting stuff. Now, it does come with a set of directions along with one of their social media connect with me cards. So this has all of their social media outlets on it, along with the directions on the back of the card. And now, it looks pretty simple, you know. It comes with a toothbrush, but of course you still can use your own toothbrush if you like. So we're gonna start by wetting our toothbrush and then dipping it into the activated charcoal powder. And then we're gonna brush our teeth for 3 minutes, spit out and rinse our mouth, and then we're gonna use the activated Carbon Coco charcoal toothpaste. So this is that. This is the toothpaste. So we have everything we need right here. So we're gonna go ahead and, I'm so nervous about this. Yo, I get so nervous about putting anything in my mouth. I'm just real finicky about stuff going in my mouth. But yeah, but you know what? Before we start, oh, this is really black and powdery. This is what it looks like. Looks like charcoal, ground charcoal, really fine milled charcoal. Alright, I'm so nervous about this, y'all. I mean, it's just like crazy. It looks like it should be some kind of loose eyeshadow pigment in matte black. Alright, so I'm gonna wet my brush. We're wetting. Alright. I'm just dipping it in. Like that. Get enough. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this. Oh, I'm just so nervous. Here we go. Oh. All right, so we've brushed our teeth now for the 3 whole minutes. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead, spit and rinse. Cute. All right, so I see why they recommend that this be done at night before bed, and for me it's 11:43, so this is my bedtime. But yeah, this is why. If you see, there's still like some, like, yeah, some blackness like in here, like under there, so that gives it time to, I guess, dissipate or disappear throughout the night. Ooh, so yeah, I wouldn't do this before you go to work. You're gonna be like, what the hell happened to your teeth? Like, what is that in your teeth? What is that? Yeah, so ooh, I just pray that this is gone before 3 p.m. tomorrow, because I have to go to work. But yeah, yeah, they do look a little brighter and more like, you know, we'll see how long this lasts. But yeah, I'm just a little teensy concerned about it being under my gums like that. But other than that, you know what? It's a little dark. You see that? See that? Yeah. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it has the toothpaste has like a really minty taste to it, which is pretty cool. Being that it's black, very, very neat. First, brush your teeth with the charcoal polish. Lightly rinse charcoal from mouth brush with toothpaste. Do not swallow. Rinse after. Brush at least twice a day as directed by the dentist. For best results, use with the activated charcoal tooth polish. So yeah, it's pretty pleasant. I mean, the charcoal powder doesn't have a taste, so it's not bad. It's just, you know, like weird having a bunch of powdery black stuff in your mouth, brushing your teeth with it. But it almost feels like doing like a baking soda polish. I don't know if you've ever done that before. That's what it kind of feels like. So yeah, it's pretty neat though. It's definitely neat. Definitely something to talk about with your friends. It's pretty cool. I like it, but that is to be determined in the morning. I hope this is gone, but I'm pretty sure it'll be gone. Yeah, I'll probably do like a deep swish with some mouthwash and it'll probably be gone. But other than that, I'm pleased. But yeah, that is my review of the Carbon Coco Natural Teeth Whitening System. I will include all of their links and good stuff below so you can check them out. This was definitely fun and interesting. So yeah, check it out. Bye guys.